Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are safe and healthy. My dear children, today we are going to learn about the use of a and an. Read this aloud. Now we are going to read these words loudly. A bag bag. An a double p l e apple, an apple. A car. An e double g egg, an egg. A b e double l bell, a bell. An a e r o p l a n e aeroplane, an aeroplane. An I n k p o t ink pot, an ink pot. A pin pin, a pin. A nib nib, a nib. माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कहीं पे अ, कहीं पे एन, कहीं पे अ, कहीं पे एन, एन, ऐसा क्यों है? व्हाई इट इज सो? सो कम ऑन, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाई इट इज सो. Come to the next page. Here you can see, here there are the vowels E, E, I, O, U. My dear children, you can see the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, here you can see that there are the alphabets from A to Z. Pick out the vowels from the letters written on the board and write them down in the blank space provided for each. Here what we have to do, we have to write the vowels in these given boxes. Okay, first of all I want to explain you that in this alphabets you can see few alphabets are written in red color and rest of them are written in black color. So do you know why they are written in red color? Yes, because they are vowels. Vowels are written in red color and the rest of them, those are not vowels. What are they? They are consonants. Okay, and you know there are how many alphabets, how many vowels are there? Good. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? My dear children, now we are going to write these alphabets in this given box. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now, my dear children, I am going to explain you the use of a and an. My dear children, you can see there are 2 boys. These 2 boys are twins brother. One of them name is A and another one's name is An. These 2 brothers are twins, but their hobbies are different. For example, this A loves consonant and this An loves vowel. So he goes, the one boy whose name is A goes with the consonant words, the words which start with the consonant sound, such as D, D for doll, N for nib, C for cat, D for dog, F for fish, G for goat, B for book, T for tiger, P for pan. All these words starts with the consonant sound. So this boy, this brother whose name is A, goes to the consonant sound words. He goes with them. So we will write here A and we will pronounce A doll, a nib, a cat, a dog, a fan, a goat, a book, a tiger, a pen. In this way, there are so many words which starts with the consonant sound. There this A will go. जहाँ पर भी कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स होंगे जैसे कि डी एन सी डी एफ जी बी टी पी, ये सारे वर्ड्स किससे स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट से. इसीलिए दिस ए बॉय, द ब्रदर हुज नेम इज अ, गो विथ दिस कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड वर्ड्स. ओके, इनके आगे अ आता है. एंड दिस ब्रदर हुज नेम इज A and An loves vowels. He goes with the vowel sound words such as E for egg, A for apple, I for eyes, O orange, U for umbrella, A for aeroplane, I for inkpot, E for elephant, O for owl. These all words starts with the vowel sound. So this brother goes to them, okay, and goes to the vowel sound words because he loved them. He loved vowels. Okay, that's why he goes with them. So here it will be an egg, an apple, an eyes, an orange, an umbrella, an aeroplane, an inkpot, an elephant, an owl. Okay, now do you get it? A goes with the consonant sound words and An goes with the vowel sound words. Understood, students? I hope you understood very well. Okay, now this is the time to do the use of this A and An in the book. Okay, students? Now here it is given, fill in the blanks correctly using A or An. Here you have to use A or An. So here it is the picture of apple, and the spelling of apple starts with the A sound and vowel sound. And who goes with the vowel sound? Yes, An goes with the vowel sound. So we will write here A and An. Okay. Now here it is the picture of book, and book starts with the consonant. And who will go with the consonant? Yes, A will go with the consonant. A book. This is the picture of cat. So C is the consonant, and that's why A will come here in the fill blank. Okay, and here U for umbrella. So A and An will join here. Okay, and umbrella. And here it is elephant. Here the picture of elephant, and the spelling of elephant starts with the E sound, and E is a vowel. So vowel sound, as it is a vowel sound, so what will come here? Yes, here it will come An. And elephant. Now this is the picture of tiger, 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 and T starts with the consonant sound. So what will come here? Yes, here it will come A. We will write and we will pronounce A tiger. Okay, an apple, a book, a cat, an umbrella, an elephant, a tiger. Okay, in the same way you have to do in your book. Okay, my dear children. Now we'll do the work in our CW copy. Okay, so come on, be ready with your pencil and eraser. First of all, you will write the date here. Today's date is 17 and the month is August, that means 8, and year 2020. So 17.8.20. Okay, come on. Now let's write the heading. USEUs, OF of, use of, A oblique an. Okay, this is the heading. That means here we will use A or an. Oblique means or. या तो हमें A का यूज़ करना है या फिर हमें N का यूज़ करना है. ओके, एंड आई होप यू रिमेंबर वेयर कम्स A एंड वेयर डू कम्स N. A कहाँ पे आता है और N कहाँ पे आता है. ओके, कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1, डैश apple, APPLE, apple. Okay, and here we will draw the picture of apple. In this way you will do like this and you will do like this. You can take the help from your parents also. In this way you will make the apple. Okay, dash apple. Number 2, dash egg, EGG, egg. How you will make egg? You will make the egg in this way, in the oval shape. The shape of egg is oval. So you will write like this. Now number 3, dash BELL, bell. Okay, now you will draw the picture of bell. In this way you will do like this, then you will do like this, then you will draw like this, you will make the this way. This is the bell. Okay, now number 4, dash nib, NIB, nib. Okay, nib. How you will make nib? You will do like this. This is the nib. Okay, in the same way you will draw the 2 lines, parallel lines, and then you will do like this and you will make like this. This is the nib. Okay, now number 5, dash cat, CAT, cat. How you will make cat? You will make the small circle, then you will draw the big circle, then you will make the ears, eyes, and the tail. Okay, this is the cat. Now number 6, dash umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. So now you will draw the picture of umbrella in this way. Okay, you will make the semicircle, then you will make like this, and then you will do like this, and you will make, okay, this is an umbrella. So now number 7, here you dash B double OK book. Now here you will draw the picture of book. In this way you will do, you will make the rectangle and you will make one line here. Okay, this is the book. Now number 8, dash AXE, X. You will do like this, okay, and then you will do like this. It is the X. My dear children, you can take the help from your parents also, okay. Now in this way you will do the work, okay. Now in the next page, number 9. On number 9 you will write dash fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Now you have to draw the picture of fish, which is very easy. You will do like this, then you will do like this. In this way you will make the fish, okay. Now number 10. On number 10 you will write dash B-O-A-T, boat. How you will make boat? See, in this way you will do, then you will do like this, then you will do like this, okay, then you will make like this, then you will make the water, okay. This is boat. Understood, students? Now number 11. Number 11 is dash I-C-E, ice cream, C-R-E-A-M, cream. Now you have to draw the picture of ice cream. So how you will make the ice cream? You will do like this, okay, then you will do like this, then cross. This is the ice cream, okay. It is very easy, no? Good. Now number 12, dash car, C-A-R, car. It is very easy to make car. Okay, how you will do? You will do like this, you will do like this, in this way, okay. Then you will do like this, you will make one wheel, then another wheel, and then you will do like this, and these are the windows of car, okay. In this way you have to draw all these pictures. If you can't able to do this, you can take the help of your parents, okay. Now this is time to fill these blanks. I hope you know where it will be A and where it will be N. Come on, tell me what will come here, A or N? Yes, this is the A sound. This is the vowel sound, as it is A, so we will write here A and N. Now this is E for egg, and E is the vowel sound, so we will write here A and N. This is B for bell, and B is a consonant, so we will write here A. Now A, bell. Now dash and I be nib, and this N is a consonant, so we will write here A. Then dash C-A-T, cat, so we will write here a cat, because C is the consonant. Then dash umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Umbrella starts with the U sound, and U is the vowel, so it starts with the vowel sound, and we will write here A and N, Okay, now this is the B, and B is the consonant, so we will write here a book. Dash AXE, X. A is a vowel sound, so we will write here A and an. Now come to this page. Dash fish, fish, fish start with a F, and F is a consonant, so we will write here a fish. BOAT, boat, and B is a consonant, so we will write here a. Dash ice cream, I start is a vowel sound, so we will write here A and an, ice cream. Dash car, C is the consonant sound, so what will come here? Here it will come A, and we pronounce A as a car. So let's read once again. An apple, an egg, a bell, a nib, a cat, an umbrella, a book, an axe, a fish, a boat, an ice cream, a car. Okay students, in the same way you have to do in your CW copy. If you are not able to draw the pictures, you can take the help from your parents. Okay, no need to worry. Understood students? I hope you will do your work in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so meet you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.